In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opportunities into Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub-account. This is important because opportunities are tied to a specific account, so you want to confirm you're working in the right place before importing anything. Taking a moment to double-check this can help you avoid bringing data into the wrong pipeline. Once you're in your sub-account, go to the Opportunities section. This is where you manage leads, deals, and pipeline activity, and it's also where the import option is located. After the page loads, look near the Add Opportunity button. Right beside it, you'll find the Import option. Click Import to begin the process. On the import screen, you'll be asked to select the objects you want to import. In this case, choose the appropriate object for opportunities. This step tells the system what kind of data you're bringing in, so make sure your selection matches the file you plan to upload. After that, click Next to move forward. You'll then be prompted to upload your file, select the file from your computer, and let Gohighlevel load it. Before uploading, it's a good idea to make sure your spreadsheet is clean and organized with clear column headers. That will make the next step much easier and reduce the chance of errors during the import. Once the file is uploaded, the next part is mapping your columns to fields. This means you'll match each column in your file, such as contact details, opportunity name, pipeline stage, value, or any other relevant information to the correct field in Gohighlevel. Take your time here because accurate mapping ensures your imported opportunities appear correctly in the system. If a column is matched to the wrong field, the imported data may not display the way you expect. After your columns are mapped, the final step is to verify everything. Review the import details carefully and make sure the information looks correct before confirming. This is your chance to catch anything that may need adjustment, such as a mismatched field or missing data. Once verification is complete, you're ready to proceed with the import. And that's how to import opportunities into Gohighlevel. If you prepare your file properly, confirm the correct sub-account, and carefully map your fields, the process should be smooth and straightforward.